Bismillahi. Bism, B means in, and Sin meme actually, this is ism. And Alif, sometimes it is dropped between two letters or words. So ism means name, Allahi, Allah, in the name of Allah. And if you forget to say it, means Bismillah, before starting, then you should say, when you remember, Bismillahi fi awwalihi wa akhiri. Or you can say Bismillahi awwalahu wa akhirah. So Bismillahi, again, in the name of Allah. Fi means in. Awwal means beginning. He, this is pronoun. Awwalihi, its beginning. Wa akhiri, wa means end. Akhir means end. He, again, pronoun, and its end. So in the name of Allah, in the beginning and in the end. Dua of reading. Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana minal muslimin. Alhamdu, hamd means actually praise or thanks, and al means all. All praise is lillahi. Li means for, Allahi, Allah. All praise is for Allah, alladhi, who, at'ama. Ta'am means ta'ain mim, feed. At'ama, he fed. Nun alif na, actually this is pronoun used for first person and plural. So at'amana, who fed us. Wasaqana, wa means and, saqa means drink. Who gave us, nun alif na, again pronoun used for first person but plural. Saqana, and gave us drink. Wa means and, waja'alana, and jal means made, to make. So ja'ala, made, nun alif na, us, and made us minal muslimin. Min means among or from. Al muslimin, Muslims. Al-Muslimins, this is plural word. Ya noon, the sign of plural. Having fatha on noon. Having this sign on noon. So, ya noon, the sign of plural. Muslim, Muslim means Muslim. Muslimin, Muslims, plural word, among Muslims. Praise be to Allah, who fed us and gave us drink and made us Muslims.